So I had started this one, Rachel. Ew. So are you okay at least getting the oxidation states parts?
Yeah, like I know what's oxidizing and reducing, but it's when you put in the numbers before it and stuff.
Okay, so here being oxidized, it is copper plus 1 is going, so my electron has to go on the right hand side, and there is a difference between plus 1 and plus 2 of 1, so that is 1 electron. In terms of the reduction then, it is SO4 2 minus. The electron difference is plus 6 to plus 4, that is 2 electrons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't see it.
Okay, that better?
Yeah.
Okay, so here then it is going to SO2. So if I have fast finishers, once you've done this, go to 14.8 in Chem Live and go to the workbook 14.14 if you are super duper fast. So, you happy with this part, Rachel?
I got to there.
Okay, so you're now looking at your number of electrons. They are not the same, so I need to multiply this top line by 2, and it stays the same. So now I have 2, and I turn this into 2, and because this matches this, I've gone as far as I can with that. Are you okay to there?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I rewrite everything out. So 2Cu plus H plus SO4 2 minus, goes to 2Cu2 plus SO2 plus H2O. And the rule is you balance your oxygens first. So I'm now looking at my left hand side. I have 4 oxygens here. So, and I have 1 here, but I'm going to be adding multiples of this, so I ignore that essentially. So I have a deficit of 2 oxygens between my left side and my right side, so I put a 2 here. I then go and balance my H's. So on my right hand side I have 4 H's here, and to get the same I'm putting 4 here. Do you want me to do the next one?
Yes, did you see for the first copper in this line?
Yeah.
You have a Cu as positive ion, but is that not just the plus from the equation?
Oh, thanking you. Good spot, Miles. Good spot. Okay, it's still, so that just changes things ever so slightly. So this is now a 0 to plus 2. So when I go down here, I just get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this for now. So when I write it, it is now plus 2 electrons. It's already balanced. So I can leave them as they are. So I'm just getting rid of this 2. And that doesn't change my ending, sure doesn't. I still have 4 oxygens on my right. Yep, so because this was already 2, they are comparable. Good spot, Miles. Does that make sense, Rachel?
Yeah, sort of.
Because this copper was an element, so it was 0, so it's going from 0 to plus 2.
Yeah.
So let's get rid of this positive as well. Had I gotten that right when I went up here? Pens, move. 1 4 1 1 2. Yeah. Do you want me to go to the next one?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so we have Ag plus H plus NO3 minus is going to Ag plus NO plus H2O. So this is a 0 to a plus 1. This is my oxidation. This is a negative 2. This is a positive 5. This is going to negative 2, positive 2. Here. So I am going from plus 5 to plus 2. This is my reduction line. So NO3 to NO2 is plus 3 electrons is the difference. Going to NO, I need to have these guys match, so I multiply my top line by 3, my bottom line by 1. So 3, 3, 3, these can then cross out. I rewrite everything. I look to balance my O's, so on this side of my line I have 3 O's. Here I have 1 O, so I need to put 2 here. Need to balance my H's, I have 4 H's on this side, I put a 4 here.
Miss,
Yeah, go for it.
Miss, how are you getting the four for hydrogen?
Okay, so over here I have put in 2H2 is 4 hydrogen. So then I just balance them up, and I now have 4 over here.
Yes, so for question 4, the other way it said CR207.
Yeah.
If the other way it's CR2, does that mean everything has to get doubled?
So you will have, did I not double up here because I'm doing them fast in my head now? So for 4,
I don't know if you do or not.
let me see it. Did I do it too fast? Did I not see it? No, I saw it. Yeah, you're going to have to double as you write your reduction. So I'll do number 4 for you. So 4 is Cr2O7 2 minus plus Fe2 plus H plus going to Cr3 plus Fe3 plus H2O. So here it is minus 2. This copper is plus, the chromium is plus 6. It is a plus 2. It is a plus 3. It is a plus 3. So this is the oxidized. This is the reduced. It is going to be Fe2 plus goes to Fe3 plus 1 electron. Here it is going to be Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3 electrons goes to Cr3 plus. So before I ever go anywhere, because I have 2 chromiums here, I have to double everything across the line. So this turns into 6 electrons, and now I have 2 of these. So then when I'm comparing my electrons, I have to multiply this top line by 6. This one can stay as it is. So I have 6, I have 6, I have 6 electrons. My electrons now match, and I put it all together. So it is Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6Fe2 plus H plus goes to 2Cr3 plus 6Fe3 plus H2O. I look at my O's. Over here I have 7 O's, so I need to put a 7 in front of my water, and that gives me 14 hydrogens here. Does that answer your question, Mikey?
Yeah. So it would be the same for question 3 as well.
Yeah.
Miss, could you do question 6, please?
Question 6. I haven't done it out, so this will be doing it out. So question 6. Did I not put the numbers up? I thought I did. Okay, so question 6. Have you seen the answer to 6? Is this what you got?
Yeah, I can't get it.
You can't get it, okay. So 4, 6, we have BiO3 minus. Where are we on time? It's 22. Alright, we'll wrap this up early because you haven't had a break. So this is -2. It's going to be -5. This is +5. Here, this is -2. There's 2 of them. This is +4. This is +3. This is going to be +7, -2. So I am going from +5 to +3. That is my reduction. I am going from +4 to +7. That is my oxidation. So MnO2 goes to MnO4 minus. There is an electron change of 3. For the bismuth, it is going from BiO3 minus. From +5 to +3, it's a 2 electron change. It goes to Bi3 plus. So to make the electrons the same, I'd have to multiply this line by 2 and this line by 3. So 2, 2 turns this into 6, 3, 6, 3. My electrons now match. I rewrite everything. Did you get that far, Eva?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're rewriting BiO3 minus plus 2MnO2 plus H plus 3Bi3 plus 2MnO4 minus plus H2O. So I'm looking at my O's. Over here on this side I have 3 and 3 and I have 2 and 2. So I have 9O plus 4O gives me 13O. On this side I have 2 by 4 is 8O. So 13 take away 13 take away 8 leaves me a 5 oxygen deficit. So I put 5 here. And on this side I have 10 H's, so I put 10 here. Did I not do that last time? I wrote fast. 2, 3. Is that okay?
Yeah, thank you.
So I haven't done the last one yet. So look, it is 9:45. How far along are people? How into 14.8 are we in there at all? So if you're not there, say 0. If you're like 2 parts in, 2 polite fingers, and so on. I can see half my people. Okay. 1. Okay, so we have a range. So look, I will put up a page for just 14.8 and get in touch if you're having problems so we can solve it in real time. So you're going to finish 14.8 for me for homework, and I will put a screenshot of this in there so you can check your things. Does that seem okay? Okay, I will let you go now because you haven't had a break and you can have a break. So I hope you all had a lovely weekend. It's lovely to see you, and get in touch if you need help. When do we see each other again? Wednesday. Okay, so go do some press-ups. This is my challenge. I do press-ups between lessons in the hope I'll have lovely arms for the summer. Alrighty, have fun, be safe.
Miss.
Thanks, Miss.
Bye.
Thank you.